How to BUI dollar broccoli, broccoli token crypto coin. To purchase dollar broccoli token, a cryptocurrency, you'll need to follow several key steps. Below is a detailed guide on how to buy broccoli token, dollar broccoli, using a few popular methods. Step 1. Understand broccoli token. Before buying any cryptocurrency, including dollar broccoli, it's essential to understand the project behind the token. Broccoli token might have specific utilities, community-driven features, or unique aspects that differentiate it from other tokens. Ensure that you do thorough research and understand the risks involved in investing in cryptocurrency. You can often find this information on the official website of the token, white paper, or social media channels. It's crucial to ensure that the token is listed on trusted exchanges or decentralized platforms. Step 2. Set up a crypto wallet. To store your dollar broccoli tokens, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet. There are different types of wallets available, including hot wallets, software wallets. These are wallets you can download and access through apps or browser extensions. Some popular options include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Hot wallets are more convenient but less secure than cold wallets. Cold wallets, hardware wallets. These are physical devices that store your cryptocurrency offline, offering enhanced security. Ledger and Trezor are some well-known cold wallet options. Step 3. Choose a crypto exchange. Broccoli token is likely to be available on decentralized exchanges, DEX, or centralized exchanges, CEX. Common platforms to trade tokens include Uniswap/PancakeSwap, for decentralized exchanges. If dollar broccoli is a token based on Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, BSC, you may find it on decentralized platforms like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Centralized exchanges. While it's less common for smaller tokens to appear on major centralized exchanges, you might still find broccoli token on platforms like Binance, KuCoin, or Gate.io. Make sure the platform you choose supports the cryptocurrency you're using, e.g., Ethereum or BNB, to purchase dollar broccoli. Step 4. Buy Ethereum, ETH, or Binance Coin, BNB. If you are using a decentralized exchange like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, you'll typically need Ethereum, ETH, or Binance Coin, BNB, to swap for dollar broccoli. Here's how you can do that. Buy ETH or BNB on an exchange. If you don't already own Ethereum or Binance Coin, you can buy them on major exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, or Bitstamp. Transfer ETH/BNB to your wallet. Once you've purchased Ethereum or Binance Coin, transfer it to the wallet you've set up in Step 2. Step 5. Connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange, DEX. Once you have your Ethereum or Binance Coin in your wallet, you'll need to connect it to a decentralized exchange like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Uniswap. If broccoli token is on the Ethereum network, go to Uniswap and connect your wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. PancakeSwap. If the token is on the Binance Smart Chain, go to PancakeSwap and connect your wallet. Make sure that the DEX is reputable and double-check the contract address for broccoli token before proceeding. Step 6. Swap Ethereum/BNB for broccoli token. After connecting your wallet to the exchange platform, search for broccoli token. Use the token's contract address, which can usually be found on its website or official social media, to search for dollar broccoli on the exchange. Select the amount of ETH or BNB you want to swap. Choose how much Ethereum or Binance Coin you want to exchange for dollar broccoli. Confirm the transaction. Double-check the details of your transaction, including the slippage tolerance and gas fees, and confirm the swap. Complete the transaction. Once confirmed, the dollar broccoli tokens will be sent to your wallet. Step 7. Check your wallet. After the transaction is completed, you should be able to see your dollar broccoli tokens in your wallet. If you don't see them immediately, ensure that the token contract address is added to your wallet's token list. Step 8. Secure your tokens. For added security, especially if you hold a significant amount of dollar broccoli, consider transferring your tokens to a hardware wallet, cold storage, to keep them safe from online threats. Key tips for buying dollar broccoli. Double-check the contract address. Always ensure that you have the correct contract address for broccoli token to avoid scams or errors. Understand gas fees. Transactions on the Ethereum network may require higher gas fees, so ensure you have enough ETH to cover the transaction. Be aware of volatility. Like all cryptocurrencies, dollar broccoli is likely to be volatile. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Follow official channels. Stay updated with news and developments from the official Broccoli token team through their website or social media channels to avoid misinformation. By following these steps, you can safely purchase and hold dollar broccoli token. Always stay informed and exercise caution when investing in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies.